when your work calls for serious protection. The Xpose Safety Industrial Waterproof Apron steps up like a trusty knight. This isn't just any apron. It's a fortress for your clothes. Built from heavy-duty vinyl. Think of it as a second skin. But one that laughs in the face of spills and splashes. Moreover, its industrial-grade material means it can handle tough jobs. From messy lab work to rugged industrial tasks. Therefore, whether you're handling chemicals or just making a glorious mess, this apron is your steadfast guardian. It truly offers ultimate protection, keeping you dry and clean. This apron feels substantial, yet it's surprisingly comfortable. It's designed for long hours. Also, the waterproof material sheds liquids effortlessly. Imagine water sliding off a duck's back. That's how liquids behave here. Furthermore, its robust construction ensures it won't tear or puncture easily. Consequently, you can move freely and confidently. This apron is a workhorse, not a show pony. It helps you focus on the task. Ultimately, it provides peace of mind. It truly is the Xpose Safety Industrial Waterproof Apron you need. Pros: holds up to hard use, super durable, thick material, definitely waterproof, bled easily. Washes off, covers legs really well, good for heavy-duty yard work, perfect length for shorter users, holds up to flour, oil, and water, easy clean up, does not absorb odors, heaviest rubber found so far. Cons: neck strap rubs raw, neck strap uncomfortable, back string too short, cheap. Short ties, rubber barely adequate. Features: heavy-duty vinyl material, industrial-grade protection, completely waterproof, ultimate protection, ideal for lab work, durable and strong, resists chemicals, easy to clean. Comfortable fit, long-lasting use. This apron is super strong because it's made from tough vinyl. It's built for serious protection, especially if you're working in a lab. You don't have to worry about spills because it's completely waterproof and keeps you dry. It also stands up to chemicals, making it safe for many jobs. Plus, it's easy to wipe clean and designed to be comfortable, so you can wear it for a long time. The Xpose Safety Heavy-Duty Vinyl Apron is a durable, waterproof apron made from thick, industrial-grade vinyl that offers excellent protection for various tasks like lab work and heavy-duty yard work. It effectively repels blood, flour, oil, and water, making cleanup easy, and it doesn't absorb odors. The apron provides good leg coverage and is a suitable length for shorter users. But some users have found the neck strap to be uncomfortable and the back ties to be short and of lower quality.